Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have been absolutely loving this Coppertone Pure and Simple sunscreen. One thing that I really like is that this particular one has zinc oxide, which I feel like gives me really good, consistent coverage. And I like that it has the SPF 50 because I like to specifically use this on my face. In the summertime, when I'm outside, I don't want to have to worry about my face getting burned or getting spots on it from the sun. And so I really like a sunscreen that can give me good coverage. But yet at the same time, I sweat very easily. So I don't like whenever I have like a greasy face after I put some sunscreen on. So I feel like with this particular kind, it doesn't do that. In fact, when I go to put on my makeup, it is dry to the touch after I've put it on, and I don't feel like I have any kind of greasy feel to it when I'm applying my makeup. I also like that when I apply this particular sunscreen to my face, I don't feel any kind of burning or tingling sensation that I can get sometimes with others. I really like this sunscreen, especially to wear it on my face, but I also put it on my shoulders and arms, and I highly recommend it. That is just my point of view.